Learn how to install kitchen wall porcelain tiles from start to finish with this complete step-by-step tutorial designed for beginners and professional tile installers. In this video, I will show the full process of preparing the kitchen wall, measuring and marking tile lines, cutting porcelain tiles accurately, applying tile adhesive correctly, and installing each tile with perfect spacing and alignment for a clean modern finish. Porcelain tile installation can completely transform your kitchen walls and give your space a luxury look with durability and water resistance. Whether you are renovating your kitchen, upgrading old ceramic tiles, or learning professional tiling techniques, this tutorial covers everything you need to know in detail. In this video you will learn: checkmark how to prepare a kitchen wall before tiling, checkmark best tools for porcelain tile installation, checkmark how to cut porcelain wall tiles cleanly, checkmark correct way to spread tile adhesive, checkmark how to install large porcelain tiles on walls, checkmark tips for perfect tile spacing and leveling, checkmark how to avoid common tile installation mistakes, checkmark professional finishing techniques for corners and edges, checkmark kitchen backsplash porcelain tile installation tips, checkmark how to achieve a smooth and modern tile finish. This kitchen wall porcelain tile installation tutorial is perfect for DIY beginners, construction workers, home renovators, and professional tile setters who want to improve their skills and achieve high quality results. The video demonstrates practical techniques used by professional tile installers to create straight lines, strong bonding, and elegant kitchen wall finishes. If you enjoyed tile installation videos, ceramic flooring tutorials, bathroom wall tiling, porcelain cutting techniques, and professional construction tips, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more high-quality tutorials and real job site projects. Porcelain wall tiles are one of the best choices for modern kitchens because they are easy to clean, moisture-resistant, durable, and available in many luxury designs. With the right preparation and installation methods, you can create a beautiful kitchen wall that lasts for many years. Watch until the end to see the complete installation process and professional finishing results step by step. This tutorial will help you understand the proper techniques used in modern kitchen wall tiling projects and improve your tile installation skills. Continuing from the installation process, it is also very important to focus on finishing details that make a big difference in the final appearance of the kitchen wall. After all tiles are installed and properly aligned, the next step is allowing the adhesive to fully dry before starting the grouting process. This ensures that the tiles remain stable and firmly fixed to the wall surface. Once the drying time is complete, grout should be applied carefully into the joints between the tiles. Use a rubber float to spread the grout evenly, making sure all gaps are completely filled. Wipe off excess grout with a damp sponge before it hardens to achieve clean and smooth tile lines. Proper grouting not only improves the appearance but also protects the installation from moisture and dirt. After grouting, it is recommended to inspect the entire surface for any imperfections, uneven lines, or missing joints. Small adjustments can still be corrected at this stage for a more professional finish. Pay special attention to corners, edges, and areas around electrical outlets, as these are the most detailed and visible parts of the installation. Cleaning the tile surface is also a key step in achieving a polished look. Remove any grout, haze, or adhesive residue using appropriate cleaning materials without damaging the tile surface. A final wipe down will help reveal the true shine and design of the porcelain tiles. For long-term maintenance, it is important to regularly clean the kitchen wall using mild cleaning products and avoid harsh chemicals that could damage the grout or tile finish. Proper maintenance will keep the kitchen looking new, fresh, and elegant for many years. By following all these steps carefully, you can achieve a kitchen wall porcelain tile installation that looks smooth, modern, and durable, just like work done by experienced tile installers. Moving further into the advanced stage of the project, this part focuses on long-term performance, professional detailing, troubleshooting, and finishing standards that separate a basic tile job from a high-quality, professional kitchen installation. One of the most important aspects after installation and grouting is allowing the entire surface system to fully cure under the correct conditions. Even if the tiles feel firm to the touch, the adhesive and grout continue to strengthen internally over time. During this curing period, it is essential to avoid exposing the surface to water, steam, heavy cleaning, or any mechanical pressure. In professional practice, installers often recommend a controlled curing time depending on the adhesive type, wall condition, and environmental humidity. Rushing this stage can lead to weak bonding, discoloration of grout, or long-term tile movement issues that may not appear immediately but develop over weeks or months. After the curing process is fully completed, attention shifts to detailed inspection and quality control. This step is critical in identifying small imperfections that may not have been visible during installation. You should carefully check the entire kitchen wall under different lighting angles to detect issues such as uneven tile spacing, slight lippage between tile edges, hairline gaps and grout lines, or minor adhesive stains that were not fully cleaned. Professional tile installers always perform this inspection before considering a project complete, because once the area is in daily use, corrections become much more difficult and sometimes impossible without removing tiles. If any imperfections are found, corrective actions should be taken immediately. Small grout defects can often be repaired by carefully removing the affected section and reapplying fresh grout. In cases where tiles are slightly misaligned, minor adjustments may still be possible if the adhesive has not fully hardened, although in most cases this requires careful removal and reinstallation of the affected tile. Edge finishing is another critical area that requires attention. Kitchen walls often include corners, exposed edges, and transitions between different surfaces. These areas should be properly sealed and finished using suitable edge trims or silicone sealant to prevent water infiltration and ensure a clean architectural look. Another advanced consideration is the integration of kitchen fixtures and electrical outlets with the tile layout. A professional installation always ensures that tiles are precisely cut around sockets, switches, and wall-mounted elements. These cuts must be accurate, symmetrical, and aligned so that the final appearance looks intentional rather than forced. Poorly cut tiles around fixtures are one of the most noticeable signs of amateur work. In high-end installations, special tools such as tile hole saws and angle grinders with fine diamond blades are used to achieve clean and precise openings without damaging the tile surface. Long-term durability also depends heavily on how well the installation handles environmental stress inside the kitchen. Kitchens are exposed to constant changes in temperature, humidity, grease, and water splashes. Because of this, the choice of grout and sealant plays a major role in maintaining the integrity of the installation. Flexible or high-quality grout mixtures are often preferred in modern projects because they reduce the risk of cracking over time. In addition, sealing the grout lines after full curing can provide extra protection against stains, moisture absorption, and mold growth, especially in areas near cooking zones or sinks. Maintenance strategy is another key element that ensures the installation remains in perfect condition for years. Although porcelain tiles are highly resistant and durable, the grout lines are more vulnerable and require periodic care. Regular cleaning using mild, non-acidic solutions helps preserve both the color and strength of the grout. Harsh chemicals or abrasive cleaning tools should be avoided because they can gradually weaken the surface and reduce the overall aesthetic quality of the installation. Professional installers often advise homeowners to adopt a simple maintenance routine rather than intensive cleaning sessions, as consistent light care is far more effective than occasional deep cleaning. From a design perspective, lighting also plays a significant role in the final visual impact of the kitchen wall. Proper lighting can enhance the texture, color, and pattern of porcelain tiles, making the entire installation appear more premium and visually balanced. Poor lighting, on the other hand, can hide the quality of the work or exaggerate small imperfections. Many modern kitchen designs incorporate under-cabinet lighting or directional LED systems to highlight the tile surface and create a more luxurious atmosphere. Finally, achieving a truly professional result is not only about following technical steps but also about understanding precision, patience, and planning from the beginning to the end of the project. Every stage, from surface preparation to final cleaning and maintenance, contributes to the overall success of the installation. A well-executed kitchen wall porcelain tile project should look perfectly aligned, structurally solid, visually clean, and capable of withstanding years of daily use without losing its aesthetic appeal.